So me and Victoria are going to be doing the Little Nitro Challenge. The Little Nitro Challenge is the world's hottest gummy bear. From Flamethrower Candy Company comes the next experience for those who seek the heat. Little Nitro has been infused with our signature 9 million Scoville unit chili extract, making him 900 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper. 900 times hotter. That's hectic. Alright, holy crap.
Are we gonna die?
I think it's gonna be terrifyingly hot. Like, do you want to read some?
It says that anyone with a respiratory condition shouldn't have it. I have really bad asthma, so this could be fun.
It literally says on the box, consume at your own risks. We've got our milk, we've got almond milk. So almond milk.
Almond milk. I don't know if that quite works the same as real milk, but hey.
Here we go. So it says it in here, the Little Nitro Challenge. Fully chew this
5
fiery
minutes
bear
without.
and see if you can handle the heat. Can you go a full
Should we time 5
5
minutes?
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Do you want to get your phone? Let's do the timer. Got it. It's one gummy bear. Mind you, this was like $10 each. We literally spent $10 on a gummy bear this big.
We spent $10 on suffering.
And do you think it's one of those things we should eat with gloves or just don't touch your face?
Well, I don't know. Hang on. We haven't opened it yet though, so I don't know how like stressed I
I'm just gonna
need to
pop
be.
it into my mouth.
And
I'm not gonna touch it with my fingers.
No, I want to smell it though, in case it's like.
You can smell it. I'm not gonna smell it.
No, it doesn't smell
Doesn't
like
smell
anything.
anything. Apparently, it's meant to be raspberry flavor.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like chili, so I think you can touch it. It'll be
So
okay.
crack it open.
Oh,
Oh, I did one the wrong way. Oh no, the smarter way. Do you reckon that's smart? I don't know.
Yeah, because then you can like just
I
put
can
it
just
into
eat
your
it.
mouth.
Yeah. Oh my god. Do you chew it?
Yeah, you have to chew it. Isn't that the thing?
Fully chew this sorry then so you can handle it. Alright.
So when should I go on the timer? From the second we whack it in your mouth?
Yeah. Do we do a countdown? From 10?
Right. Maybe from 5. 10's a long time.
From 5? Right.
Yeah.
From 5.
Alright.
5,
4,
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright.
My mouth is salivating so much already.
Holy crap.
No, it's not that bad.
I'm dying, bro.
I'm okay. So look at me.
I can feel it coming out of my eyes. The heat. Has that only been 1 minute?
Yeah.
I've eaten it. Chewed it.
I'm crying.
I'm literally.
My mouth is like.
You actually have to go 5 minutes without milk because.
I'm sweating.
I got it.
I feel like I'm going into a flow state.
If I try to open my eyes swelling up like. I'm not putting this on.
I have so much saliva in my mouth. Is your mouth like?
It's coming out my eyes. I know, babe. What do I do? Oh. I'm so worried about tomorrow. How long left? Like halfway. It's getting worse. Like I can feel it like all around my tongue. Oh. How are you going? Can you describe it?
It's just burning.
Is your tongue? My tongue feels
My
like,
eyes aren't watering. I'm sweating heaps.
my tongue feels like a
And I have so much
solid
saliva.
piece, like a little bird's tongue or something. Like it's shrunk, like half the size, and I can just feel it. Like it's like solid. And now it's like in here.
If I don't stop swallowing. Oh, now my nose is running.
1 minute, 2 minutes left. Oh my god. No, I just want to get out of my chair and run around the room.
I'm starting to feel like I'm hallucinating a little bit. Yeah, I feel like I've done mushrooms or something.
Oh man, I just want to drink something so bad.
I know.
Your eyes are going red.
Yeah, they're starting to water.
My crying is
It's gone, but like it's just a little here now.
I'm like swollen. Oh, I was chewing it and like I went to swallow it and like I swallowed like a big bit and it like I was choking. Oh my god. Just under a minute left. How do people eat like that? Is abuse. This is abuse. Oh.
Recycling.
I feel like it'll be like on The Simpsons when you like put the thing in his mouth and his tongue just melts.
I fully feel like I'm hallucinating.
I feel like I'm having an out of body experience right now.
It's because I can't breathe. Oh man. Keep looking down at the timer and I'm just like, how long? I think I'm gonna throw
10,
up.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, I'm literally gonna throw up. Holy shit.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Oh my god. It's like burning like again.
No!
Is Ed licking it?
It's gonna die.
Hey, let's blow your nose. Oh my god.
I need ice.
This is the challenge that just keeps on giving, like, oh my god, I hate this stuff. I'm so glad I've done it. I'll never do this again, ever. Like, oh, can I please have?
Hey, no!
Stop saying that.
I feel like I'm gonna scream now.
I just spewed up like everything, like on the ground, and tried to lick it, like. That's just back. Like, I don't even feel myself. I'm just gonna sit back. Like, why did we do this? I feel like I've lost my mind.
I feel like life's not real right now.
Just drifting away.
I'm in a dream.
Maybe this is life. Maybe this is like how it was always meant to be experienced. Nah, it's far out, it's hurting.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so I'm feeling a lot better. I don't know about Victoria. She's copped it. I've thrown up. You know, you threw up as well though, yeah. Both thrown up. Little Nitro, F you.
I fully have goosebumps all over my body.
Try it. Little Nitro. Done.